Hey guys, this is Martin here. Welcome to day 91 of my 100 days of AI and automation series. So today, let me introduce AnythingLLM, an all-in-one AI desktop app. Chat with your documents, run agents, use local or cloud models, and keep data privacy, supports PDF, code, CSV, images, audio, no setup required, no terminal. Powerful by default, simple for anyone, flexible for real workloads. So how to get started with AnythingLLM? Simply just download this application from this website, AnythingLLM.com. It is come with the full privacy in one install. Local by default, no account, no setup. Works with any LLM provider you want. Multimodal, customizable, 100% clean UI and 100% open source. Built-in API. So it is compatible across all the OS and now with MCP support for powerful extension as well. And now I'm going to show you how you can use SambaNova hosted models inside AnythingLLM desktop app. So it's a very simple. You need SambaNova base URL, API key, and which model you want to use. I'm using GPT-OSS 120 model using SambaNova hosted API key. So it's very simple to get your base URL and API key and model name. Simply just go to sambanova.ai, and this is the base URL you need to copy and paste it in AnythingLLM. Then go to Playground. Select which model you want to use, click on view code and copy that model name and paste it over AnythingLLM. Go to API key section, then just log in and get your free API key from SambaNova. And now it's time to let's run quick test using SambaNova hosted models, and let's say everything is look like good or we are missing something. And this is just a start. In my next video, I will connect AnythingLLM using SambaNova hosted models with Power BI MCP server. So don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for more hands-on demos and real-world AI workflows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you need any help or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I am always happy to help and support. Thank you.